is the Peacock Valley. ସେ ଯୋଉ Peacock Valley କୋଉଟା ଏଇଟା ଅବିକା ଦିଶିବେ 4ଟା ବେଳେ ସକାଳେ ଦିଶନ୍ତିନି ଏଇ ଭିତରକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ପଡିବ ନା ଏଇଠି So as I showed you the Peacock Valley, now this thing on the right is the Siddheshwar temple. You have to go right to a small hilltop where you can find a temple on the banks of river Mahanadi. So you have a lot of places to see on this route. So there you go, that is the Mundari bridge on my right side, and that is the Mahanadi that is flowing. So if you are coming from Bhubaneswar, then you will be coming straight from that road. That is the Chandaka Banki road, the left side, but we will be taking the right turn. So this is the Mundari bridge. So we will be going somewhere there. You see those sand areas, that region is Kandarpur area. So I'll be going there and I'll be showing you some of the most scenic places that you can find on this route. So there you go guys, a diversion has come here. So guys, if you go right, then in 15 kilometers you will reach Athagad, then Anugul 90 kilometers and Sambalpur 245 kilometers. This route is also very scenic and beautiful, but today my destination is somewhere else. So I'll be taking the left diversion and I'll be showing you the left route today. This route I'll be showing you some other day. So let's go to Kandarpur.
Welcome back to the channel everyone. So I am on my way to a village which is unexplored, on the way to Athagad, and the village is known as Kandarpur. So it is along the banks of Mahanadi, and you can find a lot of places to visit when you are going on this Cuttack Athagad route. I wanted to show you the Athagad and Cuttack route exactly, but I decided that let it be Kandarpur for today. In another video I'll try to show you the Athagad route. So there is a Shiva temple in the middle of the river. I'll try to go by boat or something if possible to show you that temple, else I'll show you this beautiful route. As I showed you before that there was a Peacock Valley, there were actually no peacocks now because they come in the morning or in the evening. So while returning I'll try to see if it is possible to show you the peacocks, otherwise I'll show you this village, then we'll see what else I can show you. So let's go and see the village. that is a small island that is known as Amangeikuda. So there is a Shiva temple there, 8th century Shiva temple. One can go by taking these boats, but now as you can see, due to rains recently, there has been a lot of water, so boats are not going. I have been told by this local who is standing behind, as you can see, that you can go to that island by boats, but boats will be there available when there is less water. Now the water level is more, so I cannot go. But throughout the year you have to go by boat. In summers also the water will not dry completely. So if you want to go there, you have to take a boat and go. I have kept my bike somewhere there up. The roads are also very narrow. So let me go back and continue my ride. So this is the road. Bike was parked here. I went somewhere there. Then I was somewhere there, standing on the stones. So I'll come someday and I'll try to go to the Shiva temple and show you guys the temple.
So this was the destination for my day. I have finally reached the Kandarpur village.
Try to come and I'll go to that Shiva temple. So thank you very much for watching this video. This is a very nice and lovely village. I'll definitely recommend everyone to come to this village and pay a visit to Amangeikuda. And also you can take a ferry or a boat and go with the temple priest and visit the temple. So that's about it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.